The Bitcoin EMA ribbons are flipping bearish right now, and this could get very dangerous for Bitcoin because at the same time, yesterday we got a lot of bullish news, but the price doesn't move up. So we'll need to be talking about that exactly and much more in today's update video. We are seeing a clear divergence with the stock market being created. The stock market is hitting new all-time highs while Bitcoin is still lagging behind. We need to be seeing this cross happening in the global liquidity in order for the bull run to continue and in order for the altcoin season to really be getting started. So this update video will be very important. Can we once again push up the likes back above at least 150 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's a short term. And in that short term, well, not a lot of things are happening. Yesterday, we got a little bit of a break towards the downside. Once again, while we got a lot of bullish news actually yesterday. So a very surprising thing is happening. We are getting bullish news, but the price is not really reflecting this. And there could be two things happening right now. Either massive distribution and people selling off the news at this current moment. This could be a very and extremely bad thing happening in the market right now. Or price is just lagging behind. But this is not usually what is happening. Usually whenever we are getting endless bullish news, but price is not reflecting this, usually, this is a very bad signal in the market. We are seeing distribution during this range over here. Probably whales are offloading their assets right now in towards this bullish news. At least that is usually what is happening. Now, at the other side, yeah, if we're going to be having a look into what's a short term, the price action is looking very good over here with this bullish divergence as being created, with a rounding bottom being formed over here, with a falling wedge pattern being created. So yeah, the short-term Bitcoin price action is definitely looking very good, while volatility is literally around the corner. Because yes, having a look into what's our Bollinger Bands indicator, the Bollinger Bands width is once again trading at these all-time lows. So volatility is going to be around the corner, just like we have seen during this time period over here. And right now in that imminent short term, we are seeing a little bit of a shakeout towards the downside, but this could be the beginning of a massive move towards the upside getting initiated. Definitely that imminent short term, the charts are looking very good. At the same time, also all of the liquidity is sitting at the top side. The Bitcoin funding rates are still looking very good. They're very healthy. The Bitcoin market sentiment is flipping fearful, while we are trading at inside of this range over here. So yes, the charts are looking very good for Bitcoin, but this over here, this news is getting me a little bit bearish. And at the same time, the Bitcoin EMA ribbons are right now flipping bearish. Okay, they are flipping in the red. They're crossing bearish at this current moment. And I have been saying in the last couple of days, to even the last couple of weeks, well, as long as Bitcoin cannot break above these EMA ribbons, I still want to be remaining cautious on the Bitcoin price. I still do think that there would be a possible chance that we're going to be reaching back towards these levels of support. In that case, people are going to be discussing this double top scenario over here and a liquidity wick down below this level of support. So a fake breakdown of this double top, well, that would definitely not surprise me to take out all of that liquidity, shake out all of the weekends, and that would be the ultimate best opportunity in the market right now, in my opinion. Now, I want to be seeing this break back above the EMA ribbons, and that would ultimately flip me very bullish because of these bullish charts that we are getting. Now, we need to be seeing this confirmation, so we need to be seeing this break back above the EMA ribbons, and that is going to be the point where we can be flipping back bullish again. Now, if we are going to be having a look in towards history, this could definitely be possible, okay? Because the EMA ribbons are right now flipping bearish. They're flipping back in the red. But like you can be seeing over here, at the start of this huge and massive consolidation that we got over here, well, we also flipped a bearish and back in the red over here. But that, at the moment we flip bearish, has marked the exact Bitcoin bottom over here. So it could be once again happening that we are just flipping back bullish again, and that this over here is the exact Bitcoin bottom. But yeah, like I have said, well, I want to be seeing this confirmation first of all before saying, all right, right now indeed that Bitcoin bottom is going to be in And right now we can be flipping very bullish again. Right now there's just not enough confirmations yet in order for me to be flipping extremely bullish over here. Now I do still want to be talking about this chart over here because we are seeing a clear divergence being created with the Bitcoin market and the stock market right now. Okay, we could also be seeing this clear divergence over here during the previous consolidation, but what has happened is that first initially we saw this big divergence over here, right? We saw a stock market dump towards the downside, and yes, Bitcoin also dumped a little bit towards the downside, but not as significantly as the stock market. So yeah, we saw the divergence being created over here, then a catch-up move for the stock market, catching back up with the Bitcoin price towards the downside. But after that, we once again saw another divergence being created with the stock market moving heavily towards the upside, but Bitcoin still lagging behind. Now, eventually, we saw the Bitcoin price catching up with the stock market with a massive move towards the upside. And right now, the same thing is happening over again, okay? The stock market is moving towards the upside, but the Bitcoin price is moving towards the downside. So either what we're going to be seeing is the stock market moving back towards the Bitcoin price, or the Bitcoin price moving back towards the stock market. And it is not looking like the stock market is about to be slowing down anytime soon over here. So I would say it is going to be pretty likely that we're going to be seeing a catch-up move for the Bitcoin price with the stock market over here. And if we're going to be seeing that, well, a massive next move for Bitcoin is going to be inevitable over here. I still do think that after this consolidation over here that we're seeing for the Bitcoin price, we're going to be seeing another massive move towards the upside, and we are going to be catching up with the stock market. So yeah, in that imminent short term, for the Bitcoin price, still a massive breakout is going to be inevitable. This breakout over here is going to be deciding, in my opinion, whether we're going to be breaking bullish or whether we're going to be breaking bearish in the coming few days, whether we're going to be hitting this level of support at the lower side, if we're going to be seeing this liquidity wick down below, or if we're going to be seeing a break back above the EMA ribbons and a break back in towards these bullish regions. Well, this breakout is going to be deciding everything, in my opinion. Have a look in towards this short-term breakout over here. Anyways, guys, if you're going to be getting interested in trading this amazing opportunity in the market right now, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can be claiming some insane deposit bonuses and claim a free Rolex already pretty easily. Blofin is right now the best exchange to be trading Bitcoin and trading altcoins on. So all you need to do is sign up a new account with that first link down below, deposit some money, start trading with some money, and you can be pretty easily already be getting this free Rolex and some insane deposit bonuses. Now, Blofin is right now the best exchange with the biggest deposit bonuses, but Bybit is the most regulated exchange because Blofin is not available everywhere in the world. So yeah, make sure to be checking out if Blofin is going to be available in your country. But if it's not going to be available in your country, you can be checking out Bybit, because Bybit, once again, is the most regulated exchange and also has a $40,000 deposit bonus. So still pretty good if you ask me. Anyways, if we're going to be zooming out for the markets, is there still going to be an alt season over here? Well, yes, I do still think so. The charts are going to be indicating that, but what we just need to be seeing is, first of all, the DXY to be topping out, which it is looking like it is about to happen, okay? We are seeing this liquidity grab above a level of resistance, and just like it has happened during every single cycle, this has indicated the start of the altcoin season, the start of the parabolic bull market. But if we're going to be having a look into this chart, we need to see the global liquidity to be increasing again. This has happened every single cycle. Now, we have seen a little bit of a fake out just a few weeks ago, just like 2 or 3 months ago, just like we have seen in 2017, okay? Just like we have seen over here. We saw this fake out, but then after that fake out, we saw the real breakout for the global liquidity and the real start of the bull market. Right now, the same thing is happening all over again, okay? We have seen this little bit of a fake out, but right now, it's going to be inevitable that we're going to be crossing again. And if we're going to be crossing again, we are going to be seeing our real bull market over here and our real cross for the global liquidity. So yeah, we just need to have a look into some of these macro indications a little bit more. Global liquidity right now is on the rise in that imminent short term. So this is looking very good. Let's see if we can be once again crossing this line over here. If we are going to be crossing this line, well, get ready, because at that moment, the parabolic bull market, I think, is about to start. And at that moment, well, altcoin season is really going to be getting initiated. So anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. Guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.